Good morning, dear student. This is your science subject teacher, Miss Kaushalya Sharma, and today I am going to teach you the material, metal and non-metal. And today's topic is physical properties of metal and non-metal. This is the second video of the chapter. Now, on the basis of physical properties, metal and non-metal are divided into 7 categories. The first one is physical state, the second one is malleability and brittleness, third is ductility, fourth is luster, fifth one is conductor of heat and electricity, hardness and sonority. Now we have to start from the physical state. All metals are solid at room temperature except mercury. Mercury is the only metal which we get in liquid state. Now, non-metals are generally solids and gases, but bromine is the only non-metal which exists as liquid at room temperature. Now, malleability and brittleness. Malleability is the properties which allow the metals allow the metal to be hammered into thin sheet or foil is called malleability. Metal shows that character, and non-metal shows the brittleness characteristic, that when we break it or hammer it, that break into pieces. Some examples are sulfur and coal. Now the ductility. Ductility is the property which allow the metal to be drawn into thin wire or thin sheet. That characteristics shown by metals. Non-metal do not show any ductility. Examples: sulfur and phosphorus. Now luster. Luster is a characteristic by which the shiny appearance should be shown. Metal have a lustrous quality, and the example are gold, silver and platinum. Non-metals are not shown any luster quality. They are having a dull appearance. Example are iodine and graphite. Now, conductor of heat and electricity means metal and non-metal can show or can give the characteristic of being conductor, and this characteristic should be shown by metals. Non-metal are the poor conductor of heat and electricity. Now hardness. Metals are generally hard. Example, iron. And non-metals are not hard and strong, only except diamond. Diamond is the only non-metal which are having a hard and strong characteristic. Sonority. Sonority is the characteristic by which ringing sound by metals where is a strike with the hard materials is called sonority. Metal shows the sonorous quality, and why it was done, the reason was given on the page number 46 on the top. You need to consider the book. And non-metal are non-sonorous. For today, thank you so much.